Former Zengeza West legislator Job Sikhala took a stand dismissing claims by Zimbabwe National Army Commander General Anselm Sanyatwe. Sanyatwe had boldly asserted that ZANU-PF would rule indefinitely using command voting, a statement Sikhala branded as false and self-deceptive. Adding fuel to the fire, Senator Morgan Komichi didn't hold back either. He called Sanyatwe's remarks irresponsible and unconstitutional, urging President Emerson Mnangagwa to take immediate action. This confrontation highlights a deepening rift in Zimbabwe's political fabric. It's a clash of ideologies, with the future of the nation hanging in the balance. Will President Mnangagwa address these explosive claims? And what does this mean for Zimbabwe's democracy? Stay tuned to find out more. Leave your comments down below to continue the conversation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates from Zim News Live YTS.